You know the drill. The alarm goes off, we hit snooze, roll out of bed, and just kinda stumble into the day on pure autopilot. But what if I told you that those exact same morning habits, the ones you don't even think twice about, could literally be putting your life on the line? Welcome to today's Explainer, where we're gonna uncover the hidden and honestly pretty shocking dangers lurking right there in the very first hour of your day. Listen to this. Just recently, emergency room staff were completely shaken by a really heartbreaking story. A 58-year-old woman actually lost her life due to a seemingly simple morning mistake. A mistake that frankly most of us make every single morning without batting an eye. It sounds crazy, right? But the reality is, we're making these small errors that can suddenly and drastically jeopardize our health. We're gonna break down exactly what went wrong and more importantly, how you can protect yourself. Before we begin, subscribe to @DrHealthExplained for evidence-based health insights.
Okay, let's dive into this. Here is our roadmap for today. We'll be hitting 5 hidden dangers: the wake-up danger, the dehydration trap, breakfast blunders, sudden exercise risks, and finally, ignoring warning signs. Let's jump right into number 1.
Mistake number 1. The wake-up danger, abruptly standing. So, the alarm rings and boom, you just leap right out of bed, right? Well, your brain and body, they're still totally in sleep mode. When you jump up like that, gravity just yanks your blood straight down. Doctors call this orthostatic hypotension, which is basically a fancy way of saying a really sudden drop in your blood pressure. And guys, this is wildly common. According to the American Geriatric Society, a solid 20% of folks over 60 experience this drop the absolute second they wake up. The blood leaves your brain, you get super dizzy, and suddenly your risk for a severe fall skyrockets. We're talking hip fractures, head trauma. It is seriously no joke. But hey, the good news? The fix is incredibly easy and entirely in your control. It's just a 3-step scientific method to get you from sleeping to standing safely. Step 1, just lie in bed for 2 extra minutes. Enjoy it. Step 2, sit up on the edge of the bed, dangle those legs, and just take a couple of deep breaths to get that blood moving. And step 3, stand up slowly. Boom. That's the whole thing. It gives your cardiovascular system a second to catch up and completely wipes out that risk of a morning fall. All right, moving on to our second mistake, the dehydration trap, thick blood. Okay, be honest. How many of us wake up and make a literal beeline for the coffee maker before drinking a single drop of water? Yeah, I see you. But doing this is actually super dangerous for your heart. Think about it. While you're sleeping, you're constantly exhaling moisture and sweating. Your body actually loses up to an entire liter of water overnight. So when that alarm goes off, you are already dehydrated. And because of that lost fluid, your blood gets physically thicker and much more concentrated. And thick, sluggish blood, that is a major red flag for blood clots. And that leads us to a statistic that is just absolutely mind-blowing. Morning dehydration and that thick blood we just talked about actually contribute to a massive 40% increase in your risk of a heart attack during those early morning hours. Your heart is basically straining to pump this thick, dehydrated blood through your arteries right when your body is demanding extra oxygen to wake up. It is literally the perfect storm. So, what's the game plan instead of chugging coffee? It's simple. Drink a glass of lukewarm water the absolute second you wake up. Toss in a little fresh lemon if you want. This one tiny habit instantly wakes up your circulation, thins out that thick blood, and takes so much strain off your heart. Plus, people who do this actually report having way better, more sustained energy than the ones relying on a quick caffeine fix. A real win-win. If you're finding this helpful, please like and share this video. Let's keep rolling. Mistake number 3, breakfast blunders, skipping and sugar. In our super fast-paced world, it's so easy to either sprint out the door with 0 food in your stomach or grab something fast, sugary, and greasy. We're talking pastries, processed juices, you know the drill. But both of these extremes are just brutal on your body. Get this, studies actually show that skipping breakfast entirely bumps up your heart attack risk by 27%. Your body desperately needs fuel to break that overnight fast. But on the flip side, slamming sugary, refined carbs causes these huge, violent spikes in your blood sugar, followed by a totally miserable crash. It triggers systemic inflammation, cranks up your blood pressure, and pushes you toward type 2 diabetes. And that is especially risky if you're over 50. Just look at the contrast here. On the top, we have the inflammatory hazards: sugary cakes, industrial juices, greasy foods loaded with refined carbs. Then, look at the bottom. This is the heart-healthy fuel your body actually wants: boiled eggs, whole wheat, oats, fresh fruit, and healthy fats. This combo of protein, fiber, and good fats locks in your blood sugar and gives you a really steady, safe release of energy to power you through the whole day. All right, mistake number 4, sudden exercise risks. The cold start. So maybe you wake up feeling super motivated, right? You jump straight out of bed and dive right into a heavy workout, intense lifting or crazy stretching. It sounds like a great idea, but the timing is actually a huge hazard. According to the Journal of Sports Physiology and Medicine, going into heavy exercise without warming up literally doubles your risk of a muscle injury. First thing in the morning, your core body temperature is lower. Your muscles have been totally still, so there's not much blood flow, and your joints are super stiff. Doing intense stuff right then makes tendon tears and muscle strains highly likely. Instead of that cold start, we need to lubricate the machinery, so to speak. Check out this simple 5-minute warm-up. Start with some easy neck rolls. Then do some gentle shoulder shrugs, up and down. Mix in some light leg movements just to get the blood flowing to your limbs. Then, once your body temperature starts to creep up, you can move into some targeted stretching for your hamstrings or lower back. 5 minutes, folks. That is literally all it takes to safely prep your body. And finally, our 5th and absolute most critical mistake, ignoring warning signs, the peak danger zone. It is way too easy to wake up feeling a little off and just brush it off, right? You tell yourself, oh, I just slept funny, or I woke up on the wrong side of the bed. But you absolutely cannot afford to ignore these signals. Research out of Harvard University shows that early morning is the absolute peak time for heart attacks and strokes. And we know why now. Your blood is thicker, your blood pressure is naturally spiking to wake you up, and your heart is just working so much harder. Because of this, over 50% of heart attacks start with mild symptoms that get completely ignored by people until it's just too late. You have got to be vigilant about these specific red flags. If you feel chest pressure or heaviness that lasts more than a few minutes, even if it just feels mild, if you get short of breath and start sweating unusually, if you have a severe, sudden headache along with dizziness, or if you get a sudden numbness or weakness in your face, arm, or leg, or start slurring your speech, you need to call emergency services immediately. Don't sit around waiting to see if it passes. When it comes to your heart and brain, waiting can quite literally be fatal. Okay, let's pull the whole shebang together. Your mornings absolutely do not have to be a danger zone. They're actually a beautiful second chance to have a vibrant, healthy day, as long as you follow this really simple, safe morning checklist. Stretch gently before anything heavy. Eat a balanced breakfast packed with protein and fiber. Drink that glass of warm water the second you wake up. Limit the early caffeine, and honestly, above all else, just listen to your body. These little tweaks to your morning routine, they might seem super small right now, but over time, they are literally the foundation of a long, healthy, and resilient life. So ask yourself, are you going to keep hitting snooze on your health, or are you ready to take control tomorrow morning? Subscribe to @Dr. Health Explained and turn on notifications for more science-backed health content.